今年はウェールズの年ということで、日本とウェールズの文化交流がすごくたくさん行われるんですけれども、その中の一つとしてウェールズのバンド、それから音楽を通して日本の皆様にウェールズの文化を知っていただける機会になることをとても楽しみにしています。
The brass band movement in Japan only started 45 years ago, and that was with a gentleman called Takeo Yamamoto, who visited the UK, fell in love with brass bands, went back to Tokyo, and he formed the first brass band over there, the Tokyo Concert Band.
The fact that Tom Gwynlai's Temperance Band is going out there is really emblematic of a tradition that is so important to Wales.
To be able to do concerts every day in a place like Japan and actually to share the stage with them, I think is very, very special.
Ac wrth gwrs, sylweddoli bod gyda ni cyfleon I rhannu y neges ni I glywed gan pobl ifanc a pobl yn eu cymunedau yn Japan a magu perthynas glosach mewn byd sy'n anffodus wrth gwrs yn mynd ar wasg. A dyn ni'n ddefnyddio'r cyfle yma I gryfhau y perthynas, I gryfhau y ffrindiau sydd gyda ni ac sicrhau bod gyda ni sylfaen cadarn ar gyfer y cyfrwng o bandiau pres ar gyfer y dyfodol.
Any language, any sex, any race, whatever you speak, music brings everybody together. It's a very, very powerful thing indeed, so we're all very passionate about that.
Learning music is like learning another language, really, and I've always loved it.
This is the first, but we'd certainly love to see something more from this, and perhaps maybe to see some of the bands we perform with over there, they get the chance to come over here and perform with us and see our culture and traditions here too.